Welcome back to the Paramount Wood Co. YouTube channel. This week we wanted to take the time to share a really cool project that we've got going on in the shop. What Will is working on here is a custom white oak executive desk that's going to be fully encased in resin for a super clean and seamless look. And later in the build, we're going to be adding a really unique detail that's going to take the whole piece to another level. We're starting this project the same way we do with any live edge slab. First, we're going to clean out all of the voids, removing all of the bark to properly prep the slab for fabrication. From there, we're going to add some bow ties anywhere that's needed to help stabilize the natural cracks and splits in the wood while still preserving the character of the slab itself. Once all of that prep work is finished, it's time to get this piece into its epoxy mold and start pouring some resin.
It's bloody now.
Just don't mix, you're just squiggling.
It's figure eights. It's Ouroboros.
Now that the slab has had about a week to fully cure, the crew is going to pull it from the mold so we can get it pinned down into the CNC. From there, we'll flatten both sides of the slab to clean everything up and get the piece perfectly level before moving it on to the next stage of the build. Now that we've got a completely flat surface to work with, the crew can trim down the desktop to its final size using a track saw. For this piece specifically, we're adding a 6-inch radius on each corner to soften the shape a bit and give the desk a little bit more character and flow. And John here is going to use a jigsaw to cut out that rough shape and then a flush trim router bit to smooth everything up. And this is where the piece really starts coming together. Rick here is tapping the underside of the desk for the bases it'll be receiving, which are our classic sculpted T-bases. At the same time, John is routing out the center section for a pop-up tech outlet. We always love being able to incorporate this feature into desks like this because it adds a whole new level of functionality without taking away from the design of the piece. Now that the cutout is complete, John will continue wet sanding the desktop. Since this piece is fully encased in resin, there's a lot more detail and care that goes into the sanding and finishing process due to how sensitive the resin is before a final finish is applied. And there we have it, a finished executive desk ready for its forever home. We hope you enjoyed following along with this build, and if you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more projects coming out of the shop. Thanks for watching.